Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and please subscribe to my channel by hitting the notification bell given next to this red subscribe button. And these are your bi-monthly readings, so they are of the last 15 days of September. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Aries for the last 15 days of September. Okay, so we have the Chariot, the Two of Swords, the Three of Swords, okay, the Six of Wands, the Hierophant, and the Eight of Cups. Okay, we have the Tower, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Four of Wands. Okay, let's see what are the messages from this deck for Aries. Okay, we have the Four of Diamonds. Okay, guidance from the angels for Aries. We have choose freedom. Okay, so Aries, you started something. Action was taken in some direction. You started something. It can be anything in your life. You took charge of it, but it didn't work out. Basically, it didn't work out, and it landed you up in a situation which was quite painful. Okay, perhaps you didn't see the things coming correctly. Perhaps you didn't know the details exactly. You missed out something. That's what I feel. You missed some detail which was perhaps important or crucial for this action or this goal of yours. Whatever this goal of yours was, or whatever direction you were taking, in whatever direction you were moving, whatever it was in your life, some detail has been missed, or some information was lacking. Perhaps you didn't even know it. Okay, and that is why it didn't materialize, perhaps, and it caused you a lot of pain. But here with the Six of Wands, the Hierophant, and the Eight of Cups, I see you overcoming this pain. You are walking away from this pain. You are working on yourself. Uh, yeah, you are working on yourself. But even if it requires doing some sort of advice, taking some counseling, whatever it is, but you are ready to take charge again. Basically, that's what I feel. You want to, though it has caused you a setback or a painful situation, but you are trying to overcome it because you still want to move in that direction, whatever it was. Maybe you are changing your approach, perhaps. Maybe you are trying to change an approach because now you know the details. So you are changing your approach and trying to deal with this situation in a different way than before. Okay, and what I feel here is that once you take a different approach on this, whatever it was in your life. And because what I feel is you are moving away from pain, definitely. Pain, failure, whatever it was, you are moving away from it. By changing your approach, you will find unexpected gains. That is what I am getting. This tower is a good tower. So what I feel is you move away from this negative situation, healing up and just taking charge once again. That okay, I'll try it once more and I'll do it this way this time. It's something like that. Okay, and you get unexpected positive results. That's what I'm getting. These results are unexpected because with the tower and with the wheel of fortune followed by the four of wands, this is something which is happening unexpectedly. You are not expecting that much benefit or that much good results by changing a particular approach, and that is what you are getting. There is unexpected change and things start rolling positively in this direction, followed by the four of wands, and you are very happy and you are celebrating this happiness. So just by changing an approach, that's what I'm getting. Just by changing an approach, you are able to gather yourself up, and by changing an approach towards this direction, whatever it was, you are getting unexpected results, positive results, and unexpected happiness over here. Okay, and over here with the four of diamonds, what I am getting here is that you have got those details. You have, by some way or the other, you have whatever the reason was of falling off of your plans. You have I should say, you have studied them secretly. Okay, you have got that information, or you've studied them secretly, whatever it was, behind the closed doors. You have done your work, perhaps behind the closed doors, whatever the work was supposed to be done in this direction, whatever preparation or whatever work was supposed to be done, or whatever information was supposed to be gathered, which you didn't have previously and which caused you a lot of pain or falling off your plans, whatever it was. But this time I think you've done that homework of yours secretly, not in a bad way, in a good way. You've done that background work, whatever it was required in this situation. And that is why by changing the approach, you have achieved this success over here. Okay, and here the guidance from the angels, number 15 may be of some significance for you. Number 6, choose freedom. Sometimes you may feel as though your way is blocked, but often that is just an illusion. You could free yourself from the obstacles that you are so focused on by choosing a different path. Exactly. That's what I said. You have chosen a different path. Turn your thoughts away from negativity and instead envision endless other possibilities you might act upon. Okay, so this is what you have done. You've turned your thoughts from negativity. You have seen the possibilities, what could be done, and you've done it in a very prudent way. Okay, in a very wise way. You've given that time to yourself. You've done the deep thinking. You've done the research, whatever it was required to do this, or you will be doing that. And that is how you are achieving this happiness. That is how you are achieving this victory for yourself, whatever the situation is. So just by changing its approach, you are achieving this success. Okay, Aries, so that's all I have for you, and I just hope it helps. So just don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe to the channel, and hope to meet you in the next video. Bye.